Hello boys and girls. So today we have a new sound, and that new sound is shh. When you see this side of the card, you say shh. When you see this side of the card, you say snake and horse. Now it's time for the peekaboo game. Just say what you see. Shh or snake and horse. Now we're going to have a go writing the sound with our finger. So our new sound shh looks a little bit different. There are two sounds together to make one sound. We say they are special friends. So when you see s and h sitting together, it makes the new sound shh. They are special friends. If you see the sh sound when you are writing, try putting a line underneath to help you remember. So let's get writing the sound with our finger. Remember, this time we have two sounds, s and h. So start with a s. Slither down the snake. Down the head to the hooves and over his back. Slither down the snake. Down the head to the hooves and over his back. Now you carry on saying the rhymes. Get your pens ready, we're going to write the sound in our book. Get whoever's helping you to write the sound shh at the top of your page. Remember, they're special friends, so this time you're going to be writing two sounds. But just remember, take your time, say the rhyme. Slither down the snake. And down the head to the hooves and over his back. Shh. Slither down the snake. Down the head to the hooves and over his back. Shh. Now you carry on saying the rhymes. Well done, boys and girls. Now you're going to have a go writing the sound independently. Just get whoever's helping you to put the black dots so that you know where to start and where to put your pen. So now it's time to write. Remember, take your time, say the rhyme. Slither down the snake. Down the head to the hooves and over his back. Shh. Slither down the snake. Down the head to the hooves and over his back. Shh. Now you have a go saying the rhymes. So have a look at all your sounds and put a line underneath your new sh sounds. That will help you to remember that a s and a h together make the new sound sh, and they are special friends. Fantastic work, everyone. Have a look over your new sh sounds that you have written. Pick your favourite one and put a star by the side. So when you look back over your work, you can see what a good one looks like. Now it's time for popcorn words. Any words that pop into your head that start with the sound sh, I want you to shout them out now. Now I'm going to draw a picture of something that starts with the sound sh. I want you to guess what it might be. Shapes. And look at our word and put a line under our special friends sh, and that will help us to remember. Boys and girls, I can't think of any more words that start with the sound sh. Can you have a think for me and then draw them in your book?
Super work, boys and girls. You've been working so hard on all your sounds. I'm so impressed. Make sure you post your work to Dojo so that all the teachers can see what you've been up to. Can't wait to see you next time for another sound video.